If your skin feels tight, looks dull, and no matter how much moisturizer you use, it still feels dry, this might surprise you. Your skin might not be dry at all. It might be dehydrated. And if you treat dehydrated skin like dry skin, you can actually make it worse. Let me explain. Dry skin is a skin type. It means your skin naturally produces less oil. Dehydrated skin is a condition. It means your skin lacks water. And here's where it gets confusing. You can have oily skin and still be dehydrated. That's why some people feel dry and tight, but their skin still looks shiny or breaks out. When your skin is dehydrated, it starts overproducing oil to compensate, which can lead to clogged pores, uneven texture, and dull-looking skin. So if your skin feels tight after washing your face, your makeup looks patchy, or your skin drinks products instantly but still feels dry, those are all signs of dehydration. Now let's talk about why this is happening. One of the biggest causes is over-cleansing. If you're washing your face too often or using harsh cleansers, you're stripping your skin barrier. Over-exfoliating is another major one. And then there's using products that focus only on oil control instead of hydration. Environmental factors also play a role, like cold weather, air conditioning, and sun exposure. All of these can pull water out of your skin. Now here's the mistake most people make. They keep adding heavier moisturizers, and nothing changes. That's because moisturizer doesn't actually add water to your skin. It helps lock it in. So if your skin is already dehydrated, there's nothing to seal. What your skin actually needs is hydration first, then barrier support. This means using ingredients that help bring water into the skin, followed by ingredients that help prevent that water from escaping. And this is where a simple routine makes all the difference. Start with a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Then apply a hydrating product to slightly damp skin. After that, use a barrier repair moisturizer to lock everything in. Some people also add treatments that support overall skin health and renewal, like LED light therapy. This can help improve the appearance of dull skin and support a more balanced-looking complexion over time. But here's the most important part. Not everyone's skin needs the same routine. Some people are dehydrated. Others are dealing with acne, dark spots, sensitivity, or a damaged skin barrier. That's why I created a tool that helps you figure out exactly what your skin needs. It builds a personalized skincare routine based on your specific concerns. If you want to try it, just click the link in the description. It will guide you through what your skin actually needs instead of guessing and wasting money on random products. The key to fixing dehydrated skin is not doing more. It's doing the right things in the right order. Once your skin is properly hydrated and your barrier is supported, you'll start to notice your skin looking smoother, brighter, and more balanced. If this helped you understand your skin better, make sure to subscribe for more skincare tips and routines that actually make sense.